Hi, good morning YouTube. I just thought I'd come on and tell you my makes that I've done this week. It's the first week of December. Today's the 6th. I haven't got as much done as I'd hoped because yesterday it was my daughter Amy who runs a small company, Sweet Things by Amy, and she bakes at home, and she had a stall at a local Christmas fair, and I was there all day helping her sell the cakes along with her sister. And the couple of days before, when she was busy baking, I was making a applique piece, her name on a tablecloth, and I'll put a picture up here of the stall, and you can see where I've sewn the Sweet Things by Amy onto the tablecloth. It's the first time I've done something like that. I really enjoyed it, and I thought, oh, and now I'll be wanting to make pillows, cushions and cases and stuff, and on the kids' jumpers, you know, with their names on. So yeah, so it was really good.
Yeah, Mum. I'm going to turn you around and show you our table. Smile. We're halfway through everything. There's nothing left in the box. This is our setup underneath. We're gradually getting rid of trays. And those are our tasters.
And it went really well. She went with over 300 items, and she was left with 8. So we've got cake, and here's I'm having one of her blondies, and this is a Jammy Dodger blondie, and it's got jam and white chocolate in it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So that's what I'm having for breakfast, with a nice cup of tea with my name on there. So yes, so we're all a bit exhausted today, but I wanted to come on and show you what I've made, because one of them I'm giving to my granddaughter, and I made the sugar dot dress, and I made 2 of these pinafores for my year-old and 18-month-old granddaughters, Amelie and Elle, and I'll put a picture up here of one of them wearing hers, and they went really well. And then I ran out of fabric, so I couldn't make my 3-year-old granddaughter hers, so I had to order some fabric. It was very similar, but the flowers are slightly more peachy rather than pink, but it's all on the same background. And this is what I made her. So she hasn't tried it on yet, so I'm hoping it'll fit. And yeah, so I've done I did the belt in a contrasting colour, and I put one of my labels on, but it all went together really well. Didn't really look at the pattern much, because obviously it's the 3rd one I've done. There it's hemmed. The machine worked wonderfully, so I was really happy with that. So it's gone really well together. Well, obviously I've done it to the measurements given to me, but you never know until you put it on them whether it's going to fit. But yes, very happy with that. And this is the little blouse I made, which I have shown you in the past with the poppers, and that's to go with it. So I'm going to be giving that to them today, because they're coming over. They're going to go for a bike ride in the afternoon, and I'm going to have Sienna. Well, and then they'll come back and we'll have tea and cake. So some of Amy's cake. So yes, so that is the pinafore. So I'm really pleased that's out the way, because I want to get on with the Christmas presents that I'm making. And I finished one of the Christmas presents, and that was the Rowan Ellie cardigan. And it's a pretty little cardigan there. You can see it's got a flower and some frills around the edge, and I have shown it to you half done, but now it's finished. So this is it here. As you can see, I've done the flower really pleased with that, and I've done all the edging. It was difficult. I'd say if you hadn't done crocheting, it was quite fiddly doing this. But I mean, I crochet more than I knit, so I didn't find it too hard. But I would have thought for someone new. And the only thing I'd say about the pattern is that when it told you to go around and pick up stitches, it just said pick up stitches. It didn't tell you how many. I counted to try and make sure that I had the same amount either side, and it just said decrease and increase where you think necessary for tightness. So I drew it in a bit on the neck because I thought it looked a bit floppy on the neck. But yes, and you're meant to do the same on the sleeve, but I don't know if you can see, I decided just to do the first row of those little things on the sleeve. I didn't do the top row because I thought she'd be getting her fingers caught in it and everything. So, and that is for the, well, she's now 1 year and 2 months, and that is for Amelie, and hopefully she can wear it with her pinafore dress and it should match that I've already made her. But this is a Christmas present, otherwise I'll have nothing to give them for Christmas because I keep giving them the things I make. So yeah, this is Amelie's. I'm in the process of making a slightly different coloured pink cabled cardigan for Elle, and I'm making for Sienna, who the big dress is for. I'm using this yarn, and I'm making a slightly different cardigan and more fitted with buttons down to here. But the mother has asked me if I can put the frill on it, so I'm going to put the same frill on the other one. But I will show you that when I've only done about half a row or so, about half of the back, so I haven't done so much. But I wanted to come on and show you these two, especially this one, because obviously I'm going to give this to her this afternoon, so I won't have it. But if I get a picture by the time I've done the video of her in it, I'll add that up here as well. But yes, I'm really chuffed with that. So that's my makes so far this week, first week of December. Got a lot of things I'm halfway through, but that's the finished makes, craft pod. Right, well this was just a short one, just to catch up with what I've done in the last week. So I'm going to have my cup of tea now and enjoy my daughter's brownie, well, blondie, and I'll catch up with you next time. So please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want to know anything else or anything more about what I've talked about, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.